Hey guys, I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed. Today's video is going to be about me polishing my toenails. I was supposed to go to the nail place, but time went past real fast and I wind up not being able to go to the nail place. So I was just going to show you guys how I did it, a DIY, and I also saved $25 because they charge you $25 for toenail change. And I just wanted to show it to you. So just in case you wanted to save you some money, I am showing you the polish and stuff that I use and the different products that I use. I wanted to just use some different colors. Sometimes you just want to use different colors, and that's what I decided to do. Okay, so just check out my video. I hope it helped you. If you don't forget to, don't forget if you do make this, please make sure, if you make it, if you do polish your nails, please make sure you let me know how they came out. And hashtag them, AKIYIA's DIY nails, so I can be able to see them, okay? Take care, guys. Be blessed and enjoy. Okay guys, so what I always like to do is I like to do 2 coats for each color. I find that my polish stay longer, and then once I am done with both coats, I'm going to go back with the clear coat and put it on my nails because I find that makes it not chip. What I'm doing now is just cleaning up. I like to always clean up my nails as I go. Be very gentle though, because you can really mess up your nail. Like with one wrong stroke, you can mess around and hit the nail. You're not hitting the nail right now, you're just kind of cleaning up around the skin. But once the actual polish dries and stuff, like for real dry, you can go in and clean up even better. So that's kind of when I clean up. I clean up as I go, but I really clean up once the actual polish is dry. So then I don't got to worry about making a mistake and smearing it, hitting the cotton tip on anything. So I just wanted to come back in and chime in. I like to always keep my nail polish remover. You see that nail polish remover inside of the little top, so I can always just dip it right in and clean up again as I go. I find that's much better. So I'm just gonna go out and let you guys check more of it out. Hopefully you are getting the how-to. Guys, I'm telling you, it took me less than 20 minutes. Less than 20 minutes. They would have charged me $25 to do this. And I was like, you know what? I can do this myself. I used to always do it back in the day. Sometimes we forget where we came from. But I enjoyed doing my toes because I could have did whatever color I want. I'm one of the ones that like to do different colors. But you do what you like. You keep on enjoying this video. And don't forget to press subscribe. And again, let me know if you try this. Okay guys, I am almost finished. What I am doing is on my last polish time. And like I told you guys, I am going to follow it up with my clear coat. This stopped all the chipping, I'm telling you. My mom told me this, and I also seen a guy long time ago did my nails, and this is what he did afterwards. He put the clear coat on first and put the clear coat on after. Try to let the nails dry just a little bit before you put the clear coat on. And that is it, guys. Hopefully this helped you, and hopefully this will save you some money. If it do, again, like I said, make sure you hashtag me Akiya's DIY or Akiya's DIY nails. Don't forget to subscribe, comment below if you have any questions, concerns, or just a all-around positive vibe. go ahead and put it below. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Okay, guys, I thought that whole thing was being recorded, and I guess it wasn't. What I was saying is I feel like a Reese's Pieces. You go in with whatever color you want to go in with. I wanted to tell you guys, if you go to the Asian beauty supply store, they have really good colors, but just be careful because sometimes like they've been sitting on the counter for a while, so you want to make sure that they are good because sometimes they're good, sometimes they're not. You never know what you go get. My favorite brand was CoverGirl. They don't have a whole bunch of, they got a bunch of colors, but to me, when you go to the Asian beauty supply store, it's more colors. So just find ones that work for you. Some of them be cool, some of them not. It only took me less than 25 minutes to do this. I was about to go to the beauty supply store, the nail place. And I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna do it myself. Time was going down. So I was like, I'm gonna do it myself. And that's what I did. And you use whatever colors that you like to use. I like to always use, like I like to put something down. Always put something down. This is just like a placemat. And I found that this is really good when you polish your nails because you don't got to worry about the enamel messing anything up. So always have something down. Put you some good music on and get to going. So hopefully that helped you. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what colors you like and what colors you do. And once you do this, let me know how it goes. Okay? Quick and easy, guys. Money saving tips. Be blessed, guys. Bye.